Want a full curly look without spending an hour on your hair? Then keep on watching, because this one wig is not complicated. Okay, let's go. Hey guys, welcome back to another hair review. Today we are rocking a wig from Beauty Forever and we're gonna install her. I know the face is beat, but the hair is looking crazy, so you guys are gonna watch me do this installation. Oh, make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Hype the video up, leave a comment, and I'll definitely have the wig link in the, it's gonna be tagged, so you can just one click and purchase the wig. Okay, now this is it, and this is something new. And what I like, of course, you know, you're gonna get your bag and you are gonna get a cap. Actually, I got two. And you're also gonna get some tabs if you want to use them, and a edge bag. Make sure you store your wigs in the bag, the silk bag, because yes, it's better than just throwing the wig all over the place. Oh, now this is it, and this is in 20 inches 7x5 by knots, and I'm excited about this because I think it's like a bang wig with curls. Yes, it is. This is how it looks. So everything is already prepped and we're going to install this. But look at that lace. The wig is protected, and look how juicy the ends look. I really like this. Okay, this is a finger coil. You can recreate and comb it out if you wish, but we're going to put this on and see how it fits. Like I said, it's a 7x5. The knots are pre-bleached, and we have a band that's going to help secure the wig. And what I like is the drawstring. Of course, it's a drawstring, which means it can fit any head size, so you don't have to worry about wondering if you need a medium size or a large wig. This will do it. Now we are gonna prep this, and I'm gonna slide it on my head, so stick around.
Some things only come in stillness, some things only grow with space. I've been laying things down that I don't need no more. Every breath feel lighter than it did before.
What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go in and I'm gonna separate the coils, because I feel like they're soft and I don't want to comb them out. So we're just gonna separate the coil, and it's very fluffy. It feels so good.
Even when it's loud out there, I stay close. I stop fighting every moment, stop rehearsing all my pain, learn to sit with my emotions, let them pass like falling rain. I don't need a perfect picture, just a heart that feels.
I'm spraying some water on it just to loosen the curls a little bit, because we're gonna poof it out. I'm gonna show you guys how simple you can get this done without even, you know, combing it out. Like, look at that, it's still on the same level, which I like. But we are gonna create some volume right here, so we're gonna take some out, but I need to fluff it out first, being that it is wet.
Go with the water. Mommy, I have to take pictures.
It is so soft, so you don't have to worry about that. And I hope you guys are noticing that there is no glue. Okay, no spray, no glue. It's gonna last longer, the curls, because I didn't do anything to it. I'm gonna leave it right now because we're gonna create the bang. So I'm thinking how much I need to cut. We already have this, so I need it to be the same length.
Noise no more, I let the quiet teach me truth. Some answers only show up when I finally sit with you. Stillness is enough for me, I don't need the rush. You meet me in the silence, and that's enough.
me feel cute as I'm going. Are you guys seeing this wig? Beauty Forever, what's going on? Ooh. But we are fluffing this thing out. It was so easy. And the greatest thing is I can slip it off. Yes. You have to make sure, yeah. Make sure you fluff it, you know. I need to cut down because we need it to be on one level. Ooh. So I'm just fluffing it out. I want the finger coil to stay at the end, so, and I don't want too much in the front, like it's too fluffy. I need it to be like this. So cute. We can separate this part a little bit more. I had to go for the oops because I'm going on the road tomorrow, and I know once I do my little thing, everybody's gonna love this wig, okay? I will be rocking this tomorrow, and I'm gonna take it off, and I'm just gonna rest her down and put her back on because I think this is okay. I don't want it too puffy, but you can go in with your comb. Just don't touch the ends. If you want, you can just go in. You see that? Let me lift this part up. And one thing I like about the finger coil is that if you want it to stay like this, you have to wear it as is, okay? You cannot wash it. Once you wash it, you will not get the coil unless you go and recreate them. So just letting you guys know, but we did comb the front and then add those coils back because that was very easy to do. I love this, okay? Like I said, if you want to fluff it out some more, you can go in. But I think this is perfect for me. I don't want it to be too afro and too, I want the curls to be at the top still. Look at that. Look at that. So this will do it for me. I just need to look at the back and make sure that enough is fluffed out. But so far, it's looking so good. I cannot wait to go over my... Ooh, so cute. Anyway, let me go in and fix it. And remember, it's glueless. I can take it off. And this is what I love, which means I will be wearing this wig a lot, okay? All right, so cute. Okay, y'all, this is it. Beauty Forever did their big one on this wig, and I absolutely love it. So this is what's gonna happen. Now, I need for you guys to click the link in my description. This wig will be there. You don't have to go through any hassle. It's gonna be there. Also, I will tag the link on my YouTube so you guys can purchase from YouTube as well, okay? It will be tagged and you will see it on the screen. You have to get this. This is gonna be perfect for that fall time that's coming up. Yeah, POV, you're gonna love it because I do. It's beautiful, and I will be wearing this for the rest of the week. Yeah, so thanks to Beauty Forever for sponsoring this video. I really love this wig, and I enjoy installing this wig. Also, the finger coils are super soft, which means you can open them. It's gonna feel realistic. It's gonna look good. It doesn't feel like fake hair. I absolutely love it, okay? And you're gonna love it too. I didn't add any sheen to it because the wig don't even need any sheen. So if you're looking for something to just grab and go, this is it. And you can do it the same way because why not? Anyway, I hope you enjoy this video. Bye. Just so you know, you could add this, okay? And you could do it any way you want. But because I am not going anywhere right now, I think I would add this tomorrow because yes, why not? It's still summer, and when it's fall, I just take it off and fluff it right back out. So cute. So you could style the wig however you want. You could either wear the scarf, you could wear it straight, you could pin it up. Oh, just look at that. Just remember, it's one wig and you can create different styles, okay? That's all.